Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate email responses with Gorgias, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Gorgias account. Navigate to the Automations section on the left sidebar. Click on the Create Automation button to begin. Choose a trigger for your automation, such as New Ticket Created. Select the specific condition that will activate your email response. For example, you might set the condition to respond to incoming emails from a particular email address. Once you set your trigger and condition, click Next to proceed. Now, you'll need to define the action for your automation. Select Send Email from the available action options. You'll then be prompted to compose your email response. Make sure to include the necessary elements, such as a greeting, body, and closing statement. Use personalization tokens if you wish to tailor the message to the recipient. After drafting your email, review it for clarity and professionalism. Once you are satisfied, click Save to store your automation. You can test the automation by creating a new ticket that meets your trigger conditions. Ensure that the automated email sends correctly upon ticket creation. If adjustments are needed, return to the automation settings and make the necessary changes. After fine-tuning, you can activate the automation for live use. Keep an eye on responses and metrics to evaluate the effectiveness of your automated emails. Periodically review and update your automations to keep them relevant and efficient. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.